Hello, Ganja Voyage 420 here, and this is a Saturday morning wake and bake. Um, yeah, I'll be waking and baking, and at the same time, I'll be working on terraforming this a little bit the easy way with a little bone meal and some moss. You can really turn a stony area green very fast. So let's get high while you guys watch the footage of me bone mealing a little piece of land on my realm, Chillville. All right. So if you look up in the corner, there's a small video of me decarbing some shatter so I can use it to make some edibles. That was a quarter of shatter from Blue Dream, and it got put into some coconut oil last night after I decarbed it. Made about probably like 5,800 milligrams of THC oil for food use. Maybe 6,000, I don't know. Not super accurate of a calculation that I got for it, but it works. I'm wake and baking some Blue Dream Firebud. Comment below what you guys are smoking on this morning, what you wake and bake with generally. Let me know your favorite strand for a wake and bake. Oh, this is good shit. So these wake and bake episodes will be coming out every Saturday morning, so you can wake and bake on your Saturdays and have something to watch. I figured, kind of reminded me of Saturday morning cartoons, but for grown-ups. And I'm going to include in these episodes, this one probably won't have too much, but I'm going to include instructions on decarbing and infusing your own foods and oils, and just stuff like that with the wake and bakes. A little bit of knowledge of the cannabis industry here in Michigan, stuff like that, tidbits. You know, information makes people want to watch more. So tell your friends, oh, you don't got to get up too early because Square Voyage is a stoner, but get up early and catch that Saturday morning wake and bake. Yeah, this video, I really am just using bone meal to terraform the easy way. No, I've been digging there for a while on that server, or that realm, and it doesn't quite look the best. I like it better green, so this is the quickest way to get it back to that color. Gonna take a quick nectar collector dab of that critical sensu. I'm not the biggest fan of nectar collectors, but I broke my dab rig last week, so I'm resorting to the nectar collector. I hope the sound of that torch ain't drowning me out too much. So yeah, that was the morning wake and bake. Got a little bit of a buzz. I'm about to go put some of this coconut oil in my coffee and get really freaking intoxicated because it's super strong coconut oil. But yeah, this video is all over, guys. Come back next Saturday to check out the new wake and bake episode, and tell your friends, spread the word. Cannabis and Minecraft, and match made in heaven. This has been the Saturday morning wake and bake by Ganja Voyage 420, also known as Square Voyage 314. You guys have an awesome Saturday and stay lit, fam.